By level 4, I wanted to see what happens when the object has even more small and complicated details. This time, I chose this articulated dinosaur, and compared with the previous levels, there's a lot more going on. We've got the teeth, eyes, joints, legs, the spine, and lots of small parts that are easy to miss. And once again, I'm giving the AI just one photo. Let's see how well it can handle all these details. First, the overall shape is very good. The proportions are maintained, and the AI captured the overall structure of the dinosaur very well. So for shape, 10 out of 10. Now let's look closer. The bottom jaw is missing some of the teeth from the original, and one of the legs has an extra finger that isn't present on the original model. These may look like small mistakes, but at this level, small details matter. So for details, 8 out of 10. Now let's look at the parts the AI had to guess. The eyes were created very well, and the neck joint. The spine was judged quite accurately, but there were still few mistakes. The AI added 2 extra teeth to the front of the top jaw. For hidden parts, 9 out of 10. Printability, 6 out of 10. And this is where level 4 really exposed a weakness. I took the AI-generated model and used the default slicing settings, and the slicer generated a lot of support material. I had a lot of difficulty separating the supports from the model. Some parts broke during support removal, including parts of the legs and the lower jaw. So even though the AI model looked pretty good on the screen, the actual printing process was much more challenging. And once again, functionality. The original dinosaur has flexible joints, but on the AI-generated model, the joints are fixed. They don't rotate like the original. So once again, AI recreated much of the appearance, but it didn't preserve the functionality of the object. And just like the previous levels, I'm not including functionality in the overall score. That gives level 4 an overall score of 8.25 out of 10.